Hello everyone. As you all know that CBSE board is going to begin examination for class 10th from 15th February and the first exam is of English. So here are some tips and tricks to be followed during the English paper. So the first point is write correct answer numbers as given in the question paper. So whatever the question number is given in the question paper, you have to write that answer number only. For example, if it's written question 1, you'll write answer 1. If it is written question A, then you'll write answer A. If it is written in capital, then you'll write capital. If it is written small, then you'll write small. So do not change the question numbers. As it is written, you have to write that only. Now the second point is follow the correct sequence for attempting the question paper. So what will be the correct sequence to attempt the English question paper? So always remember that we begin with writing section. In writing section you will have two topics. First is a letter writing and the next one is analytical paragraph, and both are 5 marks each. So begin your English question paper with writing section only. Then after writing section, we will do the grammar section, which includes 5 topics, that is subject verb agreement, modals, determiners, tense, and reported speech. It has 10 marks. So after writing section, we will do the grammar section, which is of 10 marks. Then we have the literature section, which comprises of 40 marks, and it includes questions like RTC, that is reference to context questions. Then we have short questions and long questions. 50% weightage will be given to competency based questions. So what are competency based questions? Competency based questions are the questions that are helpful in understanding the critical analysis, the thinking skills ability of a child. And these kind of questions are completely based on our understanding how we can apply it. In MCQ questions, write only the correct option number, do not write the statements. So I have seen many children that they used to write statements in MCQ. Please don't do that. Always write the correct option number, do not write the whole statement. Draw a line after every answer to give a neat and clean look. So after every answer you can draw a line, it will give a neat and clean look. So it will be very good for the examiner to check your paper. And in the literature section for competency based questions, or I should say long answer type questions for your convenient, do not forget to mention the reference of the text, that is the poem or the story. Do not keep the themes and messages of all the stories in your mind. So it is important to keep the themes and messages of all the stories in your mind that you read. And last but not the least, read the question paper carefully within 15 minutes given to you prior. So these are some tips and tricks that you can follow to get better marks or the best marks, even if you follow all these things that I told you. And the most important thing is do not change the sequence. The sequence must be the same. First of all, do the writing section, then grammar, then literature, and at the end you have to attempt the reading section. Keep 1 hour separately for reading section only. In 2 hours you have to complete the whole paper. Keep this thing in your mind. So all the best. God bless all.